This is Alex at Accessories International, and today we have a GLC 43 AMG model, which we're going to be replacing the original stock screen and putting in our new DMP Android command screen. We're going to show you how to take it out of this vehicle and replace it with a brand new screen.
This new screen allows for the use of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, the ability to stream movies, download apps, and much more, all while still retaining full control of your original Mercedes features, such as your steering wheel controls, your command knob, your rear view camera, and even your factory Mercedes interface to tweak settings over time. Here at Accessories International, we're based in the United States out of Miami, Florida. We carry the full lineup of screens, we do the installations, provide the support, and even give periodic update files and boot logos as they're released to keep your screen up to date on the newest and best tech offered on the market. The GLC install is fully plug and play, and to give you an idea of how simple it is, we're about to show you the full install within 30 seconds. For a full and more detailed installation guide, check out the link we've included in the description below. Start by removing the speaker cover with pry tools and undo the retaining screws. Pull out the radio and free it from place. Remove the center console storage latch from place. Then pull up the center console. Undo the retaining screws holding the radio in place and pull it out. Undo the main harness from the back of the radio and plug in the new Android harness. Run the connections up through the hole on the top to plug in the radio. Plug in the radio and test the functions. Then reinstall the console and enjoy your new 12.3-inch Android command screen.
Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.